Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, got a good one for you. They're all good though, right? Working on the Kwikee step on this little Class B motorhome. Been here just a minute, looked around. Step does not quiver. When we open and close the screen door, you may see down there, maybe not, the light comes on. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but yeah, seems like the light comes on and the light goes off when you shut the door, but the step does not move. So the light coming on and off, that's pretty good indication that we got power, but we got something else going on. So let's see if we can figure it out. There you can see the light on. Worked great till it didn't, huh?
What?
It worked great until it didn't, huh?
Yeah.
That's kind of how that goes. Alright, so now what I want to do is get this motor unplugged. Make sure that the motor is getting power. Whew. The plug is way around there. Yeah, that plug's hard to get to. Oh. Yeah, we just raised the motorhome up a little bit so I could maybe reach this plug. But still, I don't know why they put it on the back side of the motor. Makes it really hard to reach because you can't even see to see where the release is at. Of course, maybe, just maybe, we can get the pin out. I'm going to go out and see if I can get that pin out so I can get these steps down. Got the cotter pin and the pin out of it so we can get that step out of the way so we can reach this connector. It's always great when you have to take stuff apart just to get to something else.
Hold that out.
You could. It would be awesome. Oh. All right, that's what we're after. Okay, you can kind of let that step go. I got that motor unplugged. I'm gonna want you to open and close that screen door here in just a minute. As I get set up here. So let's get our meter set on DC. And I'm gonna probe these motor leads. I'm gonna have to get the meter where I can see. All right, Mr. Gwynn.
Shut it.
Yes, sir. All right, open it. Yep, she's getting, the motor's getting power.
Huh?
The motor's getting power. The motor just don't work.
Getting power, but it don't work, huh?
Yep, so we got a bad motor. All right, I know you couldn't see the meter, but trust me, the motor's getting power. It's not like everything's jammed up because the step was like part of the way out. So the motor just went bad. And so now I'm going to check on parts. Maybe when I get parts, bring y'all back and we'll get this thing repaired. Till then, y'all have a great day. Don't forget to go down in that comment section, leave me a comment, a criticism, concern. If you haven't subscribed already, do that. And I'm going to go up the road and fix another one. Y'all have a fantastic day.